Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Smokey's out playing in the snow, I think. So here is an example of someone that packaged their stuff up amazingly. I just opened it up, had to make a video. So here we go. So first thing I noticed, there's bubble wrap on top. I kind of messed that up. It was very nice and laid flat. Let me zoom out. There we go. Nice laid flat, and then I opened it up. You know, that can't open up. Blades aren't going anywhere. Scissors. More scissors. And another pair of scissors. Everything very nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Everything's very safe. The package was tight. Nothing was moving around. This is what we want to see. This was amazing. So take notes and buy the right supplies. So your tools are safe. Bubble wrap's cheap. Your scissors and tools are not. I hope that helps.